Welcome to my off-grid adventure. Today, I'm excited to take you through the journey of building this cozy hunting cabin on my landlocked property. Progress in, we got a lot done. We got some posts set, we got some joist work done, some subfloors in, and yeah, I was missing one here. You can see I got a nice opening. I was one short joist, so I went today and picked that up. I left one of my saws out here, hand saws, and I wanted to get it. We're supposed to get some snow today, and I wanted to get that before the snow. So I took the day and the morning here, grabbed another 2x6x8. You can see my little setup here, how I get all this stuff back. Looks like the board shifted down a little bit here, but yeah, this is a little get up to get everything back here. I can load it with boards and tools and whatnot. You can see the pile of supplies we have here. I got some windows back in here. I might move those today. And then underneath this, I've got all the building materials. I'll probably move some of it underneath this as well. Now that I have kind of a roof of sorts. So yeah, just gonna take a couple hours here, get the joists up, finish that subfloor, and then get back out of here. So, and that's the kind of tour of at least the little cabin that's being built so far. This is the entrance road coming in from the south that we've put in, and property line is just along the edge of that, and then we have quite a bit of opening area up here. Well, I've made some good progress on getting this all in the blind cabin moving forward. I actually got the structure up and the 2x4 walls framed in. But when I calculated all my materials, I forgot to calculate out for the windows. So I ran short. I ran back earlier today. Well, about an hour, last hour, ran back 10 2x4 8-footers. Now I got another 8 12-foot boards. These are going to be for the roof. And I originally had 8-footers planned. I was going to place them together, and I decided, since I'm bringing them back here specifically, I'm just going to buy some 12-footers and figure out how to get it back here. So this is a little janky. I got a ways to go. It's a bit muddy. You might be able to see from the beginning of the road I have here. It gets really rough in spots, so I have to actually take the bike off and wheel it in by hand for the last half mile or so. But yeah, we'll get this back there and hopefully this is the last large bit of lumber that I need to move to get this thing finished up. So it's been a little while since I've been back here, probably in May, and I need to get back and check on the cabin. I got a few things to do this evening, some trim to put up. And unfortunately here right now is about this. Unfortunately, these ferns grow up really fast. Thankfully the mosquitoes aren't too bad, but the joy of having landlocked land with no permanent road access is just that. There is no road. We'll be back there in a few more minutes. This is the cabin. You can see we have a solar panel for power. I'll show some more details on that solar panel and the power inside, the battery we have. This is built kind of as like a trapper's cabin, so I've set it up where we've got lots of windows inside. You can use it for hunting. I got some lanes out here, and you can hunt from here, or just use it as a rest over place. One project I need to work on here soon is the outhouse. Currently a couple buckets. So look at a few tools that I've used here. They've been super helpful. The ladder, having this here, something obviously being built as a cabin on stilts, everything was up much higher, so this ladder's coming in very handy. I've also got, I don't know if it's totally needed it, but now that stays back here, a generator and a circular saw. That circular saw is always very useful. And then you see I got a stash of firewood. I need to clean up a little bit in here. Stuff's just kind of gotten thrown under here. right, let's take a look inside here. Now, those dang ants again. Don't see any wasps, any bugs. It's good. Good sign. I have this problem here where the ants are getting inside my door and eating the insulation. I'll have to spray them again here. Turn the lights on. My project for today, I got some trim to finish out, trimming the corners and up top here in the loft as well. Small kitchen area. I keep a jug of water in here. I don't have water out here yet, so any extra water I have that I've brought out with me, I'll put in the jug. So use that for cleaning dishes or whatever else I might need. Might add another shelf here eventually above this, but it works well so far. And then I have my battery down here, an inverter. It needs to be cleaned up. It's kind of just been a catch-all. But that inverter allows me to run the 110. You can see I've got plenty of outlets in here for 110, but they charge my laptop or anything else. I can do that. And then I've also wired in these 12 volts. Mostly I try to run 12 volt. I got a bunch of USB ports. I got some down here and some up in the loft. And then all the lights are camper lights with LED light bulbs. So low draw and it just runs on 12 volts, so I don't have to cook that inverter on. Small little fireplace. Small little fireplace here. Just keeps this thing plenty warm. In the wintertime, there'll be times that I'm in here, it's the thermometer will say it's in the, it'll actually hit 100 up in the loft. So it gets pretty warm. So that's a little tour of my cabin.